My name is Kheisya Lyztia Davia. I am a student at 70 Vocational High School, and my major is fashion design. So, as a fashion design student, I will teach you how to make a tote bag. But first, I want to show you the tools needed. Tools needed are scissors, straight pins, a thread, this ruler, a paper to draw the patterns, fabric, iron, and the most important thing is sewing machine. That's all we need, so let's get to the steps. The first step that must be done is making a pattern. So let's make a tote bag pattern on this paper.
To make a pattern, you really need a body measuring tool. And right now, I'm making the main pattern for the tote bag. Anyway, for the size, I will show you later when I finish making it. This is the result of the pattern and the size for the tote bag. This is the size and pattern for the tote bag base. After finishing making the tote bag patterns, both patterns must be cut before being attached to the fabric. Also remember to cut very carefully so you don't damage the patterns. And now I already have two patterns for making the tote bag. And then after that, place the fabric neatly and fold it in half. Place the two patterns on the fabric, then attach them using the straight pins. Cut the fabric following the pattern. And remember again to cut it very carefully. The main fabric is done, so we can continue to make the inner pocket. For the inner pocket, you can use the remaining fabric from earlier, then fold it in half. And for the size, I will show you later when I finish making it. Cut the fabric as before. Remember, cut carefully. This is the size I used for the inner pocket. Fold the top 2 times and then iron it. Once it is folded properly, attach with the straight pins. Then sew this part. This is the result, so it is stitched twice at the top and bottom. The next step is to trim the edges of the fabric. Trimming the edges of the fabric makes sewing so much easier. And this is the result. This is the next step. So the top is folded twice to create a hem and then attach it with pins. After that, sew straight. Make 2 stitches at the top and bottom and then do it to the other fabric. After that, we will put the inner pocket and the tote bag handle together and put it like this. Attach it with pins and then sew following the pattern. This is the result after sewing, and then do the same thing to the other fabric. And then we will combine the base of the tote bag with the main fabric of the tote bag together, and then put it together like this. Attach it with pins. Combine the other side of the tote bag base with the other main fabric, and then attach it with pins. Sew straight this part. This is the result after putting the tote bag base together. And then mark this part. And then stitch following the mark. This is the result, and also do it to the other side. And cut the fabric very carefully, also do it to the other side. And then we're gonna put the sides of the tote bag together, attach it with pins. After the sides are together, trim the remaining thread from the tote bag. After the trimmings complete, turn the tote bag over so that the right side is on the outside and the wrong side is on the inside. This is the finishing step. Iron the tote bag so the seams are neater. Done! The tote bag is ready. You can use it to carry things.